In this video we'll tell you about how you can make money with the emphasis on technology. We've picked out the best ideas we think will make you money in the coming years. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button, as every week we bring you new ways to make money and give you the life you want. So let's begin. Electronics manufacturing. Manufacturing is a great way to make money using technology. Every device you pick up is created using various electronic components. If you've ever opened up anything electrical, you'll see circuit boards and many other things that are connected to one another. You'll start to notice similar things in multiple devices. This is because a company manufactures these parts and sells it to other electronic businesses. So, one way for you to make money is to manufacture certain electronic parts. If you can come up with a new device to do something quicker and cheaper, you will find plenty of businesses willing to pay you for these things you create. Software development. While the first idea focuses on hardware, this one is all about software. Almost everything we do requires software of some format. Just to create this video, we needed word processing, editing, animation, voice recording software. We also needed web design software to create our website, and of course YouTube uses software for us to upload the video for you to watch. Millions of people all over the world depend on software to keep them going. The more technology takes over our lives, the more dependent we become on software. For this reason, it represents a great chance to make lots of money if you develop and sell software. There are a few routes you could take. Look at what's out there now and improve on it, or try and come up with something that's not on the market. This will be harder as most things are integrated into software these days. We believe it's best to look at what could be improved upon using software, then try and develop the best software possible. You should also try to be clever with the pricing strategy. Most people want a free trial of software before they buy it. Give different pricing options that cater for different users. Offer a cheap basic package that grants them some use of the product. They can still use the software, but won't get access to premium features. These features are reserved for people that pay extra for full package. Software caters to a huge global market, and there's a massive chance of making money from this market. Tech accessories. You'll find that technology comes with all sorts of accessories. No matter what piece of tech you buy, there are always loads of extras you can get with it. For example, if you buy a new laptop, you can buy cases and protective skins. Think about any piece of modern technology and there will be loads of accessories you could buy to go with it. Tech accessories are so popular. Start creating things that can be used with various pieces of tech. The whole operation can be carried out at your home, even with a 3D printer. You can manufacture and sell things from a spare room. Create an online store and you can sell things to people all over the world and make money. Tech assistants. There are people out there making a fortune using technology, but they're not creating or developing anything at all. The fact is, many people struggle to get to grips with modern technology. As things advance, it becomes harder for certain people to keep up. So what do? They turn to people for assistance and help. This is where you can make money. Provide assistance to people that need it. You can start a company from home that helps people with their tech queries. They can contact you and get you to solve problems and teach them how to do things. It's a great way of making money while reducing the amount you have to spend. Unlike the other options where you'll have to pay out for materials to create anything, very little leaves your business while a lot comes back into it. Start with technology you know a lot about to build up your credibility, then learn the rest or employ people to fill the gaps you have. You could create an ebook that focuses on common issues and sell it. These books are so popular with people in this ever-adapting world of technology. No matter what, providing assistance is a great way to make money from technology. Buy and sell and trade cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency is a form of peer-to-peer electronic cash. It is decentralized and not controlled by any one banking authority. Or another way of looking at it is, it's a database that no one can change without authority. The easiest way to make money with Bitcoin or any cryptocurrency is to buy and trade them. This is very similar to purchasing stocks on the market. You purchase at one price and you can sell at another. Keep in mind though that there is a lot of risk with buying and selling cryptocurrency. There is an opportunity to make money and some people have done really well, but be careful before you open your digital wallet. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is now embedded in a wide array of software applications, infrastructures, businesses, processes, and even whole business models. Intelligent system technology encompasses so much more, including deductive and inductive inference, deep learning, machine learning, and the tools and techniques used to represent and process data, information and knowledge, as well as the application of technology to a host of problems such as conversational speech, language translations, predictive analytics, diagnostics, autonomous vehicles, network management, weapon systems, and augmented and virtual reality, among so many applications that will affect us all. The development, embedding and applications of intelligent systems technology is accelerating and will continue to do so, and is therefore a great employment opportunity for someone with the aptitude and who is also looking for a steady job. Interactive technology. The way we interact with all things digital is changing. We see and experience content virtually through augmented reality. We use wearable tech to track ourselves, our health, our friends, our transactions, and just about everything else we do. We allow location-based services to follow us around, and we buy just about everything with applications on mobile devices. We converse with knowledge-based tools like Siri and Alexa, but within a few years we'll be having meaningful conversations with increasingly intelligent assistants. In addition to voice interaction, we're well on the way to gesture and other controls that mimic the way we interact with humans. Most of this is offered, not created by users. The interaction world is another exciting investment or job opportunity. Small software technology. Small software delivered from the cloud is a growing technology area. Software is shrinking. For those who want newer, smaller, cheaper packages, there are software companies who have reduced functionality to its most diagnostic properties. The small software technology clusters will grow until software becomes so flexible it can be self-assembled and disassembled at will. As the open source platform world expands, small software technology will grow. The key trend here is under reliance on large integrated software applications and the adoption of smaller, more focused applications accessible on every screen. Investors can cash in on this trend and is another great job stream. Cyber security technology. With all this new technology, the importance of digital security has never been more important. There's the business of security, audits, compliance, policies and procedures, and the security of tech itself. All security architectures must continually adapt while recognizing that the security industry is essentially a reactive one, destined to chase solutions to problems that it has no idea existed a week, a day, or even an hour ago. There will be significant requirement cooperation among implementation parties for cyber security to become core to all processes. Companies and people that understand this new technology and the likelihood of where it is all going, and therefore make it all work better, will do very well. Either get into this field now, or if you're already in it, make it start working for you to make money from freelancing, a consulting job, or start your own business offering one of these services. Good luck, and please let us know how you get on. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and don't forget to look out for the next one in this series. Please remember to subscribe and click on the bell so you'll be notified when the next video comes out. Good luck with earning money, guys, and remember, you can have results or excuses, but you can't have both.